Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing this UAG Scout Series case for the Samsung Galaxy A10, and I'll also be doing a giveaway. So guys, here's the box from UAG, and this is a case for the Samsung Galaxy A10. Now you can buy it online on Amazon, Flipkart, or directly from the seller's website GreedyTech.com. Right now it has a MRP of 2200 rupees and it's being currently sold at 2000 rupees. Price may vary later. Now coming back to the case, on the box it boasts about the drop protection, and at the bottom it says about the series, that's the Scout series. On the back we have some more highlighting features which I'll talk in a minute. Now without any delays, let me just open it up. So here's the case. Now this is how it looks on the inside and this is how it looks on the outside. Now let me just put on the phone. Now this case has been custom made for the Samsung Galaxy A10, so it fits perfectly. It has all the cutouts. It even has the small cutout at the bottom for the speaker, and you get the rest of the cutouts at the bottom for audio jack, micro USB charging port, primary microphone. It even has a cutout at the top for secondary mic for noise cancellation. Now this is how the phone looks with the case on, and this is how it looks on the back. Now this case has a pretty big raised lip on the front, as you can see. So even when you place your phone directly on its face, display won't be in contact with the surface. So that's a pretty great thing. And even if you use a tempered glass, it should be pretty good. Now even on the back, it has a pretty big raised lip for the camera module. So when you place your phone directly on its back, camera module is still very well protected. Now if we look at the design, on the back it has a slightly raised curve. So when you place your phone on a flat surface and try to type, it might wobble a little. Not a lot, but it does wobble. Now on the right side we have the buttons. They're pretty big, easily traceable, and have a nice clicky feel to them. Now this case has a feather-light composite construction with an armor shell and an impact-resistant soft core. It even has non-slippery rubberized grip on the sides and a scratch-resistant skid pad on the back. It is drop tested and military grade certified. Now here's a quick drop test. And here we go. We can do stuff like that. Now here's a quick preview of the phone after the drop. Well, you might drop it much more drastically, but at least you can do this stuff with the case on. So here's the display. There's no crack or a scratch, and this is the back. So guys, if you're looking for the perfect case for your Samsung Galaxy A10, I can definitely recommend you this case. By the way guys, if you're planning to buy this case and looking for the best deal, you can buy it on the GreedyTech website. You can always get 10% of discount if you're buying anything over 500 rupees, and you can even get 13% discount by using their social widgets. So that's definitely a great place to buy this case a bit cheaper. Now about the giveaway, I will be giving away this particular case to one lucky winner. So to win it or to participate, all you need to do is subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, like us on Facebook, and finally, this is the most important step, I'll be posting a picture of this case along with the box on Instagram. Just make sure you comment below that video and I'll pick the winner in a week from the comment section. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this case or the phone itself, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.